Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to introduce a strategy and also two important indicators together. First of all, we go in TradingView indicators tab and search LinReg Candles indicator. This one we add it to the chart by clicking yes, as you can see in this video. Then we have to go to settings to change some things. Now here settings, we go to inputs, we put this first on number 7 and just OK. Then we go to the this one to show, and we hide the chart like this. As you can see, this is correct. Next step, we should go again in indicator tab and search for UT bot. This one, alerts, yes, this is the first one. We add it, yes. Now again you have to go to settings for this indicator, and we change two options. First one we put on number 2, and the second we will put on number 1. Then we click on OK, and now this is correct. We can see the signals here. As you can see here, for example, for short, you put a stop there and you have this target. Also, please take back test, forward test on all index symbols, forex symbols, all time frames. And for example, one here for buy position or short position here again. Yes, as you can see, this is risk to reward. It's acceptable and very good. And this is live the market on Bitcoin, 5 minutes time frame. Also, we can have an example for buy position here. As you can see, it has a good win rate, but please take back test, forward test, and check it for yourself. Now we go to 1 minute time frame Bitcoin. This is live of the market, as you can see here. And this is very good risk to reward, as you can see. Yes, please take back test and good luck. Thank you for watching this video.